Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Loch Kelly, and I just wanted to reach out and connect to all of you at this time. First of all, I want to say I hope you're all doing well and acknowledge that it's a stressful time and a challenging time for many of us. So it is a great opportunity that we're able to connect in this way. So even while we have the importance of social distancing, we want to remain, and even more so, practice open-hearted connecting. So we can do that through the internet and through online events, and we can do that just by feeling each other's sense of being in this all together. So I want to first of all say that many of the events that were scheduled to be in person have been moved online, so I hope to see you all at some of those, and to encourage you to really practice glimpsing at this time. So many of you who are listening to this have done some of the practices from my books, The Way of Effortless Mindfulness, Shift into Freedom, and there's a lot of YouTubes that are online, and I'm going to be offering new ones that are very helpful at this time. So please look for those on YouTube or from my newsletter. And the opportunity is here for us to really take challenging times to shift into that greater dimension of who we've always been. In fact, it's the only thing that can bear what seems to be unbearable. So just when you feel like you can't take it anymore and it's too challenging even to do a glimpse, I'm just inviting you to just see if you can just calm yourself with just a simple breath. Remember a glimpse that works for you, and then unhook and drop and open and include in whichever way or whatever method, whatever door works for you. And when you do, notice that it's not just a meditation state that you're shifting into, but actually a new dimension of mind and identity, and a feeling of having dropped from head to heart-mind, and almost seeing out of the eyes of the heart. Yeah, a more spacious and pervasive, interconnected field of loving presence that is who we've always been, and which can live in the eternal now and be with whatever's arising in our precious human bodies. So as we practice the social distancing and the open-hearted connection, we look forward to greeting each other at some point with a real feeling of interconnecting. So I wish you all the best and look forward to seeing you online and soon in person. Be well.